Accurate flow measurement is critical for today's industries for process control, cost management, and sustainability. Ensuring those accurate flow readings can be challenging. Many large facilities and industries that use steam or chilled water have tight spaces for their piping. Without space for straight pipe runs, flow disruptors render meters inaccurate. Seasonal changes in usage or facility retrofits make turndown an issue too. Another challenge is the need to measure corrosive and volatile materials, such as those found in the pharmaceutical or chemical industry. And cogeneration plants must measure wet gases that can damage meter components. Micrometer's V-cone and wafer cone flow meters are designed to meet these challenges. The V-cone is an advanced differential pressure type flow meter with a cone mounted in the center of a tube. The cone reshapes the velocity profile, conditioning the flow. The V-cone needs 0 diameters of straight pipe to provide a 0.5% accuracy, making it an excellent meter for tight fits and retrofits. V-cone can also accommodate great turndown for changing flow conditions. The wafer cone offers similar flexibility for smaller line size applications. The wafer cone uses the same measuring principle as the V-cone. It needs a straight run of only 1 to 3 pipe diameters upstream and 0 to 1 downstream to provide a 1% accuracy of actual flow. Wafer cone also provides changeable cones to measure different flow levels for processes where flows vary over time. Cones can be changed in less than 5 minutes, and recalibration is not necessary. Both the V-cone and wafer cone are rugged, low-maintenance meters and can be manufactured with corrosion-proof materials for harsh environments. Learn more about V-cone and wafer cone technology, including case studies and white papers, at www.micrometer.com.